Hi there, how are we all doing today? We've got another Kenevo here. This is my friend's. I think it's a 2023 model. Still with Fox 40s on. Running Michelin's front and rear. DH22s, both front and rear. So at the front we have running again on Fort Fortis, but we're running Hope. Just hope this and onto code brakes. Renthal bars. I usually set his stuff up, so we've got the X2 on the rear shock, but this is the digital display. What's on here? With a remote control derailleur, and again on the Hope rear wheel we've got, I think we're maxed out on the air pressures on the front shock and the rear shock because we're both heavy lads. I think we're running 40 psi in the back and about 25-30 in the front. Another weapon. I used to have another Kenevo at time and just swapped upgraded. Looks beautiful. So we're Team Kenevo here at Grenoside. Again, we run at Dovey quite a lot. He's just checking his, he hasn't rode it for quite a few months, so we're just checking all the pressures. Anyway, but yes, thanks for watching. Don't give any comments in below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.